Unveiling the Mystique, Whispers in the Dark. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that often captivates the imagination: whispers in the dark. This expression is rich in imagery and emotion, and understanding it can add depth to your English language comprehension. Let's explore its meanings, uses, and the aura of mystery it brings to conversations and storytelling. Whispers in the dark is a phrase that evokes the idea of secretive or intimate communication in a quiet, often secretive environment. The word whispers suggests soft, hushed speech meant for a very close or attentive audience, while in the dark implies a lack of visibility or the presence of secrecy. Together, they create an image of people talking quietly in a way that is meant to be private or hidden from others. Literal meaning: in its most direct sense, whispers in the dark can refer to actual whispering between people in a dimly lit or dark setting. This could be due to the need for privacy, secrecy, or the desire to not disturb others around. Figurative meaning: figuratively, the phrase often conveys secrets, mysteries, or intimate exchanges that are not meant for the public eye or ear. It can symbolize the sharing of thoughts or feelings that are only revealed in a trusted, private context. Additionally, it might represent the internal dialogues or doubts one might have within themselves, quietly wrestling with decisions or emotions away from the scrutiny of the outside world. Whispers in the dark is a popular phrase in literature, songs, and movies, often used to create an atmosphere of intrigue or romantic mystery. In storytelling, it can set the tone for suspenseful or intimate scenes. In music, it might convey the nuances of a relationship or inner turmoil. Understanding this phrase can enhance your appreciation of its emotional depth and complexity in various contexts. When using whispers in the dark in conversation or writing, consider the context and tone you wish to convey. It's perfect for describing moments of confidentiality, mystery, or emotional depth. For example, they shared their deepest fears in whispers in the dark, where no one else could hear them. Or, the novel's protagonist is haunted by whispers in the dark, hinting at secrets from his past. Whispers in the dark is a beautifully evocative phrase that captures the essence of secrecy, intimacy, and mystery. Whether used literally or figuratively, it can add a layer of depth and intrigue to your communication. We hope this exploration helps you appreciate the richness of the English language and inspires you to use this phrase in your own storytelling or conversations. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to sharing more insights with you in our next video.